Hello everyone, and welcome to the second devlog from Mini Golf Tycoon. I've gotten a lot done with the AI and bug fixes, so let's get started. A feature that has been requested a lot has now been added. The icons for the different pieces now show the piece itself instead of a number. That was a pretty quick fix. I just made a render of each piece separately in Blender and imported that into Unity. Next, I wanted to get the AI moving. I used something called A-Star, which is a grid-based system for pathfinding. I got an obstacle avoidance so it walks around trees, but it can still walk on the course parts. Then I made the AI wander, which is really just a placeholder for when I make them have set destinations to go to. Also, the model will change and be animated. Here you can see the AI's pathfinding with a little green line move through the world. That's pretty much all I had for the AI, so let's move on. I decided to take a break from programming and do some art, so I modeled a little windmill for the first special thing in the game. Have a look at this time lapse. I decided to rewrite the check placement system. It is still buggy in this clip, but I have fixed that at the time of recording. Now it uses colliders instead of a raycast from the mouse, so it is more accurate. It's probably going to change again, but for now this will work. Next, I drew some icons for a refreshed UI, vaguely based on Planet Coaster's UI. I quite like it so far. I still need to smooth a few things out, but otherwise this kind of tab-based menu will be going in the final game. Finally, I added a bunch more to my building manager script to add in a whole new system for decorating. I don't really know why I did this, but I hope it pays off in the future. I'm really happy with what I got done in this devlog. I think I figured out a loose upload schedule for me to try to follow. Basically, I work all week, Saturday, and a little bit on Sunday. Then I make a devlog on Sunday evening and schedule it to upload on Monday at 7 AM Central Time. Well, I think it is time for the end of the video. Thanks you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye!